Because as soon as we took off, the team got nice, quiet, and professional.
Yeah.
Belly laughs, eh? Worth every bit's belly laugh.
I noticed the two in the back were a little tentative to get on the line.
Yeah, those are actually my 1-year-old puppies.
I was
so
wondering,
this is the first
yeah.
time working with the big dogs here.
Right.
So they're
a little unsure.
Yeah, getting a little nervous. So that's why I got them in the back here, just to gain a little confidence and a little certainty. But you see, as soon as we took off, they got right with the picture.
Yeah.
You can actually see the little puppy Oreo smiling back there.
I
Right.
see that.
Turns
He's like,
around.
I'm doing a really good job. I know, Dad.
Dad, look.
So, folks, to get the lead dogs to go right, we give the command. Good job, guys.
Oh, wow.
A little off-roading here.
Wow.
Good job, guys. Good job. So my leader on the left over there, her name's Catalina. Catalina is actually an Iditarod veteran. She's completed that famous balance of all things together.